southern edge of Italy, the Amalfi coast is known around the world for its beauty, but hidden in its shadows lies a secret. A place smaller, quieter, more magical. This is Atrani, a peaceful town with fewer tourists but endless charm. It's one of the smallest towns in Italy, yet it feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The beach here is small but stunning. Waves gently touch the shore, colourful boats float quietly, locals sit by the water. No rush, no noise, just life. Bright laundry hangs between balconies. Old stone steps lead you up the hill. Every corner has a story, every wall a memory. Atrani may be small, but its beauty is endless. In a world that moves fast, this little town reminds us to slow down and simply breathe.